It's day 17 of the Inner Critic 21-day challenge. And today, it's about creative expression. Yeah, we're going to get creative. You might already be creative, but maybe you don't have a creative bone in your body, but you're going to practice. It's a really simple thing to do. Just decide that you're going to pick up a pencil, piece of charcoal, a paintbrush, sit down at the piano, get in the kitchen, find a new recipe, and just start doing something. Cook a new recipe. And what happens, I don't want you to worry about the outcome. I want you to enjoy the process. Even take your iPhone out and start taking pictures of things that inspire you, that look beautiful or different. I want you to tap into that part of your brain that's the creative part. And that means there's no outcome that's connected to this. It's not about, oh, I want to take the best picture. It's about, what do I see? What can I capture? It's about, what is it that I want to eat? And let me see what flavors I can put together. This is about tapping into the power part of your brain. And it's an easy thing to do, but sometimes not so simple for people because you're so set in your ways. The inner critic is a prediction machine. It likes to do what it did yesterday. So you're going to feel uncomfortable. You're going to be outside your comfort zone, and that's okay. There might be a little fear. Oh, I might screw this up. Yeah, you might, but that's okay. Part of this is embracing the suck. Be in that growth mindset and know, well, maybe I didn't get there yet with the recipe, or maybe I didn't take the best picture, or maybe this drawing doesn't look anything like what I'm looking at. Doesn't matter. What matters is the process. Go embrace the creative process today.